Hello everyone, and you are watching Hyper Tech channel, and this is Hidayatullah, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the default port of SSH secure shell. Okay, so here we have the server. First of all, I'm going to access onto the default port SSH. Now you can check it. We took the login successfully through the default port, means by using username and password. Now we are going to change the SSH port. We have to type cd/etc/ssh, then hit enter. Then we have to check all these files. For this purpose, we have to type ls command, type nano sshd. We have to open this file, sshd underscore config. We have to remove this line from the commit. Just remove the hash sign, assign the port, (2021), and then save it. Now we have to restart the services, SSH services, SSH that's it. Now we have to exit it. Exit. Now we are trying to enter into this machine through the default port, but it will not allow me because 22 port is closed over there and they refused my connection. So it's interesting. So I have to enter the username and password along with the port. So most importantly, username along with the a modified port. So -p 2021. And now we are logged in successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit bell icon, and forward to your family and friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.